Let's go. Only take 3 hours. I can. Only. Hey, mission accomplished. So we bought a few pins here. Hi everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve. Okay, I'm in San Diego with Jose and his son, and we're coming here to do pin trading. First time ever come to San Diego. Only take us freaking 3 hours to get here. I'm gonna die. Anyway, so we're gonna go check out this place and let's go have some magical time here at San Diego pin trading event. So this is the event here. Oh, this is so. It look pretty cool. Oh, I see people that I know. Let's kind of look around the room. I see people I know. Why is I see the similar people here? But it doesn't seem as busy like the other Kraken, right? It's definitely more low-key here. Yes. Hi.
We've never officially met, but I do watch their YouTube videos.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Can you hold this for a second?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Ron.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you know, I live in San Diego.
Oh, really?
And I watched you go onto the Disney Wonder cruise.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
So close and yet so far away.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure meeting you.
Yeah, so nice to meet you too. Thank you. Oh, wait. Let me give you a free pen. Hold on. That's what I do, so hold on. Here you go. A little something. I want to say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
No, thank you so much for following me. I really
Can I get a photo?
Yes, of course.
I'm Curious Oysters.
Oh, hi.
I'm Danny.
Oh my God, yes, hi. Are you okay being my video?
Oh, sure.
What's your name again?
Hi, I'm Danny from Curious Oysters.
So nice to meet you. You're so cute.
Oh, thanks.
So,
I bought your Yibu Beauty.
oh my God,
Yeah,
thank
and
you.
I've watched your whatnots too. And got
Oh my God, thank you so much.
I love it. Yeah, you're
So
really
I'm
cute.
so excited to be here. It's our first time here.
Oh,
3-hour driving.
cool. Really? I live down here, so not far from me.
Yeah. Did you ever come to Kraken event?
I've gone to Kraken like once or twice, but that's far for me to go. And I usually work weekends, so
I see. Oh, thank you so much. So nice to meet you. Oh, but what do you collect?
Oh,
Show me.
Okay. I don't have my collection with me, but
Oh, okay.
Bambi. Is
Bambi.
my collection. These are just all my traders that I have.
Oh, fancy trader. Fancy.
Yeah, so Bambi's my main collection. I really like cats. And then I really like the Asia pins as well.
Oh my God, I love Asia Pan. It's so cute.
I just traded some really Melody is here too.
Yeah, I know Melody. Yeah.
I just traded.
I'm in your backyard now.
Was that?
In your backyard, yeah.
I traded these with her just a little bit ago.
Oh, okay.
Lena Bell too, and then
She traded up with me.
with you. Oh, hey, so it's come back full circle.
Yes. Awesome. All right, so look around. I'll see you around too, okay? Thank you so much. Walking around with See a Friend. I love your that's brand new, isn't it? The t-shirt, the
No,
sweatshirt.
it's from Comic-Con last year.
That's so cute. What's your name?
It's the new one. I'm Amethyst.
And thank you so much for following us.
Of course.
And then because you saw my post, and what did you get?
I got Mother's Day 2023.
Wow, thank you so much for your support. And then this is your table?
This is our table, yes.
Oh, what is your social media so I can?
It's Disney Pin Ghouls.
On Instagram.
Very nice. How are you guys doing here today?
Not too bad.
Okay, a lot of trading.
Lots of trading, right?
We also have popcorn buckets and sippers over here.
I actually have this one at home. I like vintage stuff. Very cute. So I just purchased some pins from Cape of Wonder. And look at all these pins. She gave me a really good deal. Thank you so much. It's good, thank you. So check them out. Hey, trading with Melody. So we're trading for 2-stitch hat. So cute. And for those of Pink Alamo.
Almond pins.
Yay!
Thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, doing trading with. Oh, I want to break it. There's two very special pins. What is this again?
From Florida, the attraction, LE 2000.
Oh, the new attraction,
Yes.
right? Oh, wow. For the Little Mermaid. Awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, we're looking at Chris's book. You know, it's really sad that looking at your book, I noticed some of my pins here. Would it be sad I trade it back? then you'll buy it back again.
That's how the mission circle works.
I know, it's crazy. Wow, there's some beautiful pins in here. We definitely see something we like. Whoa. Wow. Oh, this is your expensive stuff here.
Little bit.
Little bit. Hey friends! Oh my god, love you! Wait, give me your name.
Chaos Unboxing.
Chaos Unboxing.
And make it pink pins.
And then they are always chaotic in the thing, right? And what's your name, friend?
I'm Jamie, and on Whatnot, I'm Disney Jams.
Oh my god, so nice to meet you all. Okay, let's finish your deal. I'll come back to get stuff later. So the famous moderator from Whatnot's here, Jay Cruz. Hello.
How are you?
So, you find anything good today?
Yes, I got lots of
Oh wow, all this Moana. Whoa, you found this one. That's good. Very cool. Congrats.
How about you?
I just got here. I don't know what I tried. Just grabbed. So, but you know, as a seller, I just tried to give variety. So much more easier. So,
Love your deals.
yay. Do you want to be on my video? Do you want to be in it? I filter.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes.
Thank you.
So I'm here with a Chris's family. You are Chris's sister,
Thank you, though.
younger sister. So we're trading. Oh my God, look at all your stuff. It's so beautiful. All this for all this. Wow. Hey, can I see you made that board, right? Can I see that?
Yeah, I made them. That's one of the ones I made.
Are you from Hawaii?
No, I wish I was. but
Just say yes.
Yes, I am.
And you got this from Hawaii, right? Yes.
Twice a year, though, so it's our second home. So here's one with pins on the
Oh,
inside.
it's so beautiful. So, girl, get your own content. No, film, it's beautiful. And they are for only $30, right?
Can I see that one again? Sorry.
The material alone gonna cost you like $20-some already.
How are you?
I'm in your house now.
Adventures.
3 hours to drive here. Thank God Jose driving.
Okay,
It's
so
too
then you
much.
have to relax in the car.
3 hours. Yes. My first purchase, this is the marathon pins. It's a Mickey and Pluto and Genie and Abu. Pretty nice, right? Okay, let's go. See what else can we find. By the way, this one's for you. Thank you so much for following me. Thank you. I hope you like it. Another friend here. So nice to meet you.
San Diego.
Oh my God, so excited to be here. Definitely more chill event here.
Yeah, I was saying it's a good mix because normally we do like library events, but it's like a quieter crack.
I like that you actually get to see. A Kraken is like so busy.
Yeah, I've done the Kraken in the hotel, the Kraken in the sports shop. Of course, I like the hotel.
Yes.
Sports shop, you know how stuffy it gets.
I know.
Because I know you and Uncle Don you always get you always get the spot like next to the window, right?
Because cooler and there's a plug in so we can plug the fan in there. So. Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening. Aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.